If your project have these three things, then it's a green flag for you. A golf view facing apartment, low density project, and best location. So today we are at sector 150 and we are going to show you Pratik Cannery where all these 3 points are checked. So we are going to show you the sales gallery of Pratik Cannery. Come with me. So this will be your reception area. Here you will get the sitting spaces. We have prepared a formal sitting there. A formal sitting will be there as well, which is packed right now. So the moment you enter to this lobby, you feel that grandness, you feel that luxury in the apartment. तो वो आपको एक luxury feel आएगी जब आप इस lobby के अंदर enter होगे. This is the actual lobby by the way. And you are getting, अगर आप lift वाला area भी देखते हैं, तो here you are getting 3 lifts per tower. तो कुछ आपके टावर्स में अगर मैं बात करूँ टावर डी से टावर आई की, तो वहाँ पे आपके एक फ्लोर पे 2 अपार्टमेंट रहेंगे और टावर ए बी सी में आपका एक फ्लोर पे 4 अपार्टमेंट और 3 लिफ्ट रहने वाली हैं. वी हैव वन सैम्पल फ्लैट रेडी दैट इज 2040 स्क्वायर फीट 3 BHK plus servant, and let me show you that sample apartment. You will definitely gonna like it. Come with me. I am not in a garden. This is the perfect utilization of tower to tower space, and in this project the sizes starts from 1700 square feet, 3 BHK, 3 toilets. The another size is 2040 square feet, 3 BHK plus servant. The third size is 2555 square feet, that is 3 BHK, 3 toilets plus servant plus family lounge. And the fourth size is 3355 square feet, 4 BHK, 4 toilets plus servant room. And what if I tell you, you can own this beautiful project, a beautiful apartment by paying only 30% now and 70% at the time of possession. Yes, you heard me right. You have to pay. You are getting 30-70 payment plan here in this project. The expected possession is October 2027. So, to understand the positioning of the towers, let me take you to the model where I'll explain you the project completely. Come with me, I'll show you. So, we are at the model of Pratik Cannery. If I talk about the land area is 12.55 acres. The best part about this project is in 12.55 acres, you are getting only 664 units. That is somewhere around 50 units per acre. ये बहुत ज़्यादा लो डेंसिटी है जो सेक्टर 150 में और किसी प्रोजेक्ट में देखने को नहीं मिलेगा. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द पोजिशनिंग, जो टावर्स की पोजिशनिंग है, इसकी वजह से यू विल गेट द वेंटिलेशन, सनलाइट थ्रू आउट द डे. एंड ऑल रेजिडेंट्स जो भी इनर फेसिंग में बाय कर रहे हैं अपार्टमेंट, दे विल गेट ओनली गोल्फ कोर्स फेसिंग व्यू. तो अब देखिए टावर, अगर मैं आई से देखूँ और टावर ए से देखूँ, there is a 9-hole golf course here which is somewhere around 45 to 48 acres. तो ये आपको व्यू मिलता है अपनी बालकनी से. एंड दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज 75% ओपन. तो सिर्फ 25% में ही कंस्ट्रक्शन किया गया है, 75% इस प्रोजेक्ट को ओपन रखा गया है. इफ़ यू गाइज नोटिस, यू आर गेटिंग अ फुटबॉल कोर्ट हेयर, अ बैडमिंटन कोर्ट हेयर, अ बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट देयर, अ ब्यूटिफुल स्विमिंग पूल देयर विद द किड्स एंड एडल्ट. एंड यहाँ पे आपको बैठने के लिए दे हैव प्लान अ सीनियर सिटीजन डेक ऑल्सो यहाँ पे. तो जो ग्रीनरी है, जो ओपन स्पेस है, दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड पार्ट ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट. इस प्रोजेक्ट की यूएसपी मैं उसके ग्रीन पार्ट को ही बोलूँगा. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट, जो एक और इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर एक चेरी ऑन द टॉप जो है, जो एड ऑन करता है, वो एक अप फ्लोर पे ओनली 2 अपार्टमेंट. सो अगर आप टावर डी ऑनवर्ड्स देखेंगे, टावर डी के बाद आपको सारे अपार्टमेंट्स, सारे ही टावर्स में एक फ्लोर पे 2 अपार्टमेंट देखने को मिलेंगे. सो यू विल गेट 2 अपार्टमेंट पर फ्लोर विद 3 लिफ्ट्स. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट टावर ए बी सी डी, यहाँ पे आपको एक फ्लोर पे 4 अपार्टमेंट्स देखने को मिलते हैं. साइजेस की अगर आप बात करूँ, सो यू आर गेटिंग 2555 3 BHK प्लस सर्वेंट, 3355 4 BHK प्लस सर्वेंट, जो सबसे ज़्यादा ही जिनकी डिमांड है. 4 BHK का साइज बहुत ही अच्छा लेआउट बनाया हुआ है. आई विल शो यू अ सैम्पल अपार्टमेंट विच इज़ रेडी विद अस. That is 2040 square feet. So this is your 2040 square feet, 3 BHK plus servant. Please have a look. So the moment you enter, you get to see this beautiful wide foyer area. And as you enter, on my left, this is your beautiful drawing area where we have placed a 5-seater sofa. And then here you can place your dining table. We have placed a 6-seater dining table here. And from your living, you'll get to see this beautiful golf view from the balcony. It is attached from the drawing as well. And from here, this is your servant apartment. You can use this to make your study as well. And a balcony is attached, a utility is attached from your servant as well. This is interconnected from your servant and your kitchen. Now, let me show you your kitchen. So this is your beautiful U-shaped kitchen where you're getting spacious space. Now, let me show you the first bedroom. And this is your balcony which is attached from your living area. From here you get to see the golf course view. Now, this is your servant room with attached washroom. You guys can use this place to make your study as well. And this is your first bedroom. This is your second bedroom. And that is your master bedroom. On your right is your kitchen. So let's start with the first bedroom. So you guys can see the first bedroom is again spacious. It comes with a window for a proper sunlight. And you're getting space for the wardrobe as well. And the attached washroom, which is again elegant, beautifully designed. Now, this is your second bedroom. It's again spacious, and the balcony from your second bedroom is attached from your master bedroom as well. So you are getting a beautiful deck from where you can enjoy the golf view, a spacious space for the storage. Now, let me show you your kitchen area. So this is your kitchen area. You are getting U-shaped kitchen. It's again wide kitchen with attached utility. So you're getting a very big size utility here. Now it's time to show you the master bedroom. So before I take you to your master bedroom, let me show you the common washroom. So this is your common washroom. And this is your master bedroom, which is again very spacious. You guys can see. So you guys can see the room looks very spacious. We have placed a king size bed. Still there's enough space left here as well. And we have placed a study there. The master bedroom looks very spacious. As I mentioned, you will getting the golf view from the balcony, from the deck area. Now in your master bedroom, you are getting enough space for your walk-in closet as well. So you guys can design your walk-in closet here. The way developer had designed, it's very beautiful. And this is your master bedroom washroom where you're getting spacious washroom as well with a wet and dry concept. Now, if you ask me why you should consider this project, first of all, the location. The project located in Sector 150, Noida. And this sector has a very good connectivity with Delhi, with Yamuna, with Greater Noida. So people who are planning to invest near to Yamuna can consider this project. People who want near to Delhi can consider this project. And Central Noida people can also consider this project because you guys will agree with me that Central Noida is very congested at this point of time. As compared, Sector 150 will remain spacious because in this sector, you will see 70% sector will remain greener and open. Shahid Bhagat Singh Park is there, a nearly 42 acres park is there. I can say and the golf course is right front of your project, which is somewhere around 45 acres. तो यहाँ पे ग्रीनरी हमेशा रहने वाली है. और अगर मैं यहाँ पे बात करूँ तो हैबिचुअल यहाँ पे जो लोगों की बसावट है, एकदम देखते हैं कि जहाँ पे लोग आ जाते हैं, जहाँ पे लोग रहना शुरू कर देते हैं, वहाँ पे प्रॉपर्टीज़ के रेट अच्छे अप्रिशिएट होते हैं. तो यहाँ पे अगर मैं बात करूँ तो 5,000 से 10,000 फैमिलीज ऑलरेडी सेक्टर 150 में रहती हैं. एंड ऑल द बिग प्रोजेक्ट्स आर ऑलरेडी हेयर. अब बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स है सेक्टर 150 में. मैं प्रतीक कैनरी को ही क्यों सेलेक्ट करूँ? बिकॉज प्रतीक कैनरी में यू आर गेटिंग अ लो डेंसिटी प्रोजेक्ट. सो यहाँ पे आपको 12.55 एकर्स में 664 यूनिट्स मिलती हैं. मतलब अगर मैं कंपेयर करूँ तो 1 एकड़ पे 50 यूनिट भी नहीं आती. तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट है इस प्रोजेक्ट का. सो आपको 1 नेबर पर फ्लोर ही इसमें मिलने वाला है. एक फ्लोर पे 2 यूनिट रहेंगी, 3 लिफ्ट रहने वाली हैं. तो एक प्रीवियसी आपको मिलती है. लग्जरी जो आप फील करना चाहते हैं वो आपको फील होगी. बिकॉज जहाँ पे 4 अपार्टमेंट 6 अपार्टमेंट आते हैं वहाँ पे वो लग्जरी मेंटेन नहीं हो पाती है. बट यहाँ पे यू आर गेटिंग ओनली 1 अपार्टमेंट 1 नेबर पर फ्लोर. Now, if you have any more queries about this project, you can call me on the given number. Me and my team is here to answer all your queries, and we are here to arrange your personalized visit as well. So keep watching, keep supporting NCR Property Bazaar. See you in the next video. Signing off for the day. Bye for now.